Weather Centre, the heavy rains that we've been seeing lately across eastern South Africa will subside a bit this Thursday. We are still going to see rain and thunder showers, however, all the way from the northwest and Limpopo down into Gauteng, Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal, westwards into the Eastern Cape and the interior of the Western Cape. Warm and dry weather is forecast across much of the Northern Cape. Now, we are expecting up to 60% chance of rain and thunderstorms this Thursday wherever you see that dark shade of blue. The lighter shade of blue represents a 40% chance of precipitation. Just a 20% chance of showers is forecast over the interior of the Western Cape, extending into the Eastern Cape. The South African Weather Service has issued a watch for localized flooding wherever you see that shade of amber across much of KwaZulu-Natal. Here's a look at top temperatures for Thursday afternoon. It's going to be pretty hot across the western parts of the country. Upington shooting to 34 degrees, 32 for Vredendal, just a degree cooler for Cape Town. Much cooler along the south coast. Temperatures around 23 degrees for George, Port Elizabeth, Bishop and East London. 25 in Durban. Richards Bay peaks at 27, the same for Pretoria. A warm 24 in Johannesburg and a hot 30 is forecast for Mahikeng. Great beach conditions are forecast this Thursday along the west coast, where moderate onshore winds are forecast throughout the day. We are also expecting nice beach conditions along the southwest coastline, where moderate to fresh southeasterly winds are forecast in most places. However, the winds get stronger as we go towards Cape Agulhas, blowing from an easterly direction. Good beach conditions are also forecast around Muscle Bay, but as we go towards Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, strong winds could keep you away from the beaches. Swell heights off the south coast will average around 2 meters. Lastly, along the east coast, a combination of wet weather and strong winds are going to keep beach conditions poor around Durban and Richards Bay. Poor beach conditions are also forecast for the Wild Coast and East London.
Know more about your world. eNCA.com